got that intake?
Y'all got the intake?
Yeah. Let me see.
Nothing too crazy yet.
Yeah. Oh, okay. You got that 302 intake on there though. That's the boss.
Not the cold jet.
With the cold air intake though. What's that, 4-inch?
I don't even know.
You got a big one right there. That's about 4-inch. That's nice, man. You gonna get them this time or what?
Hey man, I'm gonna try.
Okay.
I'm gonna try.
Okay.
That's all I can do.
You straight motor too?
This all I got, man. This what you see is what you get.
Okay.
That's all I got.
Okay. Well, we gonna see. He got straight motor over here, man. I've been wondering what he had. Here we go, y'all.
Regular 350, dog.
It's a regular. Oh, it is. Now what you did tell me when I first met you, you said you had a 350 something.
With the MSD distributor.
Oh man.
That changed those belts right there.
Yeah.
With the 4-port radiator with the fan.
Yeah. Damn, man.
The 383, man. That's what it is.
383, man. They did.
Straight motor.
383. I remember you telling me that. But it started sounding like you had a man thing, boy. They did set the timing good.
Oh yeah, powerhouse motor. Memphis, Tennessee, baby.
Yeah, they did. They set the timing good, man, in there. It's a 350. It ain't got a 383 stroker, y'all. They did yours right, man. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Keep bringing it up,
They did yours right. What y'all think about? Oh yeah, man. What size carburetor you got?
750.
750. Man,
That's it.
that boy running good, man.
A Harley 750. Shout out to Quick Fuel.
Shout out to Quick Fuel, man.
Yeah, they reviewed it, so it's
Okay. Well, he got a good fine-tuned machine, y'all.
We're happy, y'all.
We finna see what it do on this next one. Give me some hot chocolate out there. Yeah, I'm gonna go get mine now. Ain't no big races coming up. Yeah, ain't no races coming up. I kinda do want to catch these cars right here though. I wanna see this Hellcat. I ain't worried about that Lexus. Hey man, he got that intake? Okay. Look out. He got a it got them wheels. I think that's a red eye. He got his tape on the side of the car. He fully equipped, y'all. Some told me to stay and watch some told me, look at him, guys. Is a red eye.
Heavy kitty.
Yeah, I thought it was a red eye. All right, y'all. We got the Corvette versus the red eye Hellcat. Do that Vic got some tires on it? Nah. Ah, this red I should have that easy. Oh, they finna glue him down? That would be good if they got some. They oh no, they ain't gonna glue him down. He good.
Look out, that thing work on your girlfriend too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She tried to use it. I had to get it back from her. Give me my dang toy. Damn, he got him super hot now, y'all, don't he? All at the hood track right now. All right, y'all, it's over $100,000 in cars at the starting line right now. Oh, this is a good picture. This is the one I should have got right here.